Hi loves, welcome back to Spark Trove Trends. I'm Wendy, and you guys, I cannot believe what I'm about to share with you today. America is turning 250 years old in 2026. 250 years. And I went down a serious Amazon rabbit hole to find the absolute best patriotic finds for this once-in-a-lifetime celebration. So I ordered 10 of the most viral, most talked about, most reviewed patriotic Amazon products. I tested every single one. And in this video, I'm giving you my completely honest opinions. The wins, the surprises, the few I almost returned, and the ones I literally can't stop using. If you're decorating your home, putting together a 4th of July outfit, or just want to celebrate the 250th in style, you need to watch this whole video before you spend $1. Let's get into it. Okay, let's talk real for a second. If you've ever searched patriotic decor or 4th of July outfit on Amazon, you know exactly what I mean. There are literally thousands of products. And honestly, most of them look identical. Cheap polyester flags, the same red, white, and blue plastic everything, basic graphic tees that fall apart after one wash. And the 250th anniversary specifically, it's a once-in-your-lifetime moment. The last big milestone was the bicentennial back in 1976, and the next big one isn't coming for another century. So you don't want junk. You want pieces that actually feel meaningful, look beautiful, and are worth your money. That's why I tested these 10 specifically. Each one was carefully picked from the trending and bestseller lists, and I'm going to walk you through every single one. Pros, cons, who it's for, and my honest rating. Let's go. First up, and this is the one everyone is hanging on their porch right now. The bold black 250 years of freedom American flag with the Betsy Ross star ring and We the People running diagonally across the stripes. My honest take? This flag is gorgeous. The black background makes it pop in a way that traditional flags just don't. The contrast against my white Craftsman porch is stunning. Quality-wise, the polyester is heavyweight, the print is sharp on both sides, and it has reinforced grommets on the header. Cons? It's a statement piece, so if your style is more traditional Americana, it might feel too edgy. But if you love that bold, modern, patriotic vibe, this is a 10 out of 10. Wendy's rating, 9.5 out of 10, a must-have for the 250th. Next, and you guys, this one is selling out everywhere on TikTok. The American flag sleeveless maxi sundress with side pockets. Yes, pockets. Honest review, I am obsessed. The fabric is buttery soft, it's lightweight enough for hot summer days, the navy blue with little white stars on the bodice is so flattering, and that tie-dye style red-white striped panel down the skirt, chef's kiss. It looks way more expensive than it is. Sizing tip. I ordered my normal size and it fits beautifully. I'd say it's true to size. The pockets are deep enough to hold my phone, which I'm always grateful for. Wendy's rating, 10 out of 10. Wear it everywhere. Product number 3 is the one that genuinely surprised me. The personalized 250th anniversary Eagle welcome mat with your family name printed in gold across the top. This is more than a doormat. It's a keepsake. The detail work is unreal. A majestic eagle, the Statue of Liberty, the Liberty Bell, gorgeous gold lettering, 1776, 2026, and your family name banner across the top. The non-slip backing is sturdy. The fibers are dense, and it actually works as a doormat. Heads up, it's custom printed, so it ships a little slower. Order early. Once it has your name, it's not returnable, so triple check spelling. Wendy's rating, 9.5 out of 10. Perfect housewarming or in-law gift. Number 4, the American flag Sherpa throw blanket. And let me tell you, I underestimated this one hard. It is so much softer than I expected. The flag side is that velvety smooth flannel feel, and the back is that fluffy Sherpa that you just want to bury your face in. The Sherpa trim around the entire edge is a beautiful detail. It makes it feel like a real designer throw, not a novelty piece. It's queen-sized, so it actually covers 2 people on the couch. And the colors are vibrant, no faded-looking flag print here. Wendy's rating, 10 out of 10. Cozy and patriotic, wins all year. Halfway through, product 5 is the red, white, and blue star-shaped LED string lights. And friends, these turned my back patio into pure magic. They're textured plastic stars alternating red, white, and blue, each one about the size of a lemon. They have a long lead so I could string them across my entire porch railing and drape some overhead. The glow is soft and warm, not harsh, so they look magical at dusk and after dark. They're plug-in style with multiple lighting modes: steady, twinkling, fade, and they're rated for outdoor use. I left mine out through a rainy night and they were totally fine. Wendy's rating, 10 out of 10, worth the magic. Product 6 is the all-in-one 250th anniversary party kit. And if you're hosting any kind of celebration this summer, this is your shortcut. You get a USA banner with firework graphics, a triangle pennant garland, 2 styles of plates, a striped one with the Navy star, and a navy plate with silver stars and 250 years, 1776 to 2026. American flag print napkins, matching cups, and a star-printed plastic tablecloth. It serves about 20 guests. Honest take, for the price of buying all this stuff separately, this kit is a steal. The quality of the paper plates and napkins is sturdy, not flimsy, and the prints are vibrant. Wendy's rating, 9 out of 10. Hosting solved. Number 7 is the vintage washed charcoal black t-shirt with the bold 250 years, 1776 to 2026 American flag graphic. This is my new go-to casual patriotic outfit. The vintage wash gives it that broken-in, soft feel right out of the package. The graphic has that intentional distressed look. Betsy Ross stars, weathered red and white stripes, 250 years in bold cream lettering. It's an oversized, boxy fit, so it pairs perfectly with denim shorts or a flowy skirt. One small note, it runs a little large, so if you want a fitted look, size down. I'm wearing it oversized and I love it. Wendy's rating, 9 out of 10. Casual American summer perfection. Product 8, the 20-ounce insulated stainless steel tumbler with a wraparound American flag design. This is my new favorite morning coffee mug. The flag print has this rugged, distressed metal vintage texture. Navy canton with white stars on one side, red and white stripes wrapping around. It's leak-proof, double-wall insulated, my coffee was still hot 4 hours later, and has that polished stainless steel base ring. Wendy's rating, 9.5 out of 10. Patriotic and practical. Product 9, and you guys, this one absolutely blew me away, is the personalized 250th anniversary door sign with your family name across the top. Look at the detail on this. It's a circular wreath-style door hanger with a majestic bald eagle holding a small American flag in the center, a polished brass Liberty Bell on the left, a beautifully sculpted Statue of Liberty on the right, surrounded by red, white, and blue ruffled ribbon swags, scattered gold stars, and 2 personalized banners, your family name in gold lettering at the top, and United States of America 250th Anniversary 1776-2026 on a navy banner at the bottom. It's printed on weather-resistant material with surprising depth and dimension. It photographs like a real 3-dimensional wreath. It hangs from a sturdy gold cord, and it pairs perfectly with the personalized doormat from Product 3 for that fully cohesive entryway moment. Like the doormat, it's custom printed, so order early and double-check spelling. Once it's personalized, it can't be returned. Wendy's rating, 10 out of 10, front door showstopper. And our final product, number 10, is the personalized 250th anniversary garden flag. This one ties the whole front yard together. The vertical design is stunning. Bold gold America lettering at the top, a majestic bald eagle, the Statue of Liberty, and the United States Capitol in the center collage. 250th anniversary 1776 to 2026 on a red ribbon banner, and your family name in gold script at the bottom. The fabric is heavyweight polyester, weather-resistant, and prints sharply on both sides. Pair this with the porch flag from Product 1, the doormat from Product 3, and the door sign from product 9, and you have a fully cohesive 250th themed entrance that looks professionally styled. Wendy's rating, 9.5 out of 10. A beautiful family heirloom. Okay, 10 products tested. Let me give you my final verdict. If I had to pick just 3 products to buy if you're starting from scratch, here are my top picks. Gold, the American flag sundress, wear it anywhere staple. Silver, the personalized 250th anniversary doormat, sentimental keepsake. Bronze, the personalized 250th anniversary door sign, front door showstopper. If you want the full setup, porch flag, doormat, door sign, garden flag, sundress, Sherpa blanket, party kit, string lights, tea, and tumbler, you'll have a complete 250th anniversary moment that looks like it was professionally styled. All right, loves, that's all 10 patriotic Amazon finds for America's 250th. Honestly tested. Every single product is linked in the description below in order, so you can shop my exact picks. If this video helped you, please hit that like button. It genuinely helps me make more honest reviews like this. Subscribe if you're new, and let me know in the comments, which product are you adding to your cart first? I read every single comment. Don't forget to check out the full Sparktrove Trends blog post linked below. It has even more details, photos, and a couple of bonus pics I couldn't fit into this video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy 250th, friends. I love you all. Stay sparkly and trendy. Trendy Wendy for Sparktrove Trends.